the life after birth. The last video, yeah. But let's see. Just you can see all of these are the secret ones in the shop, which is so tiny. These are all of the birds in the literal game. But that they added in 2020 in January. But when they started off, like after the first day of January, so yeah, this is very secret. And look, Uma, liga mia, boo, pa, yeah, well, let's see. We've already told you then we'll go past it. We'll them for tiny coin at the store. And since this animal is free, it had nothing wasn't me. Fully grown hyena versus baby Mufasa. Olio. No! The first time I ever tried. Yeah. I don't think I can ever survive as this. Uma, is that's definitely a lion's footprint will attack. Or tigers. Tigers don't even have a game. I just don't even get to done like they are in, but not in Savannah, right? Asia and Africa are different continents. They're not even countries. Tigers live in Asia, which is the jungle. Africa is a continent. Horns? Why would you name yourself Horns? You don't even have horns. Horns. Everyone will probably be confused. I'm trying to make a video. Sorry, Mama. I'm trying to make a video. Okay. Sorry, guys. That was just my mom. I can't actually make you think that was me. Look at your book, Gabby. Wait. Hey, siapa yang pindah ke ini? That's it. YouTuber, and this is what made me make these videos. This is the safest place I can think of. But finally, we will have a good time, other than just destroying me. Yeah. Sorry guys, I just had to do something. But yeah. Oh. And I got covered in blue. Even though I didn't want to. I think it's because of my color came onto me. Some well. I'm 40%! Almost a 100% final! I was waiting just like come for a million years. Now, dapat la kalimania kalisama siya. What's 6 plus 6? So 6 plus 6 will be 12. So yeah, it will be 12 minutes this video. I just counted. So it was 6 and 7 was 1. So like first. All the way to the next one. Look. This is your last time seeing this cute little face. 3, 2, 1. Actually, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Pow! Pow! Oh yeah, it works! It worked! It worked! I transformed into the bird of heaven! Bird of heaven does not sound good. And we can place a nest, I'm sure. And then maybe Mickey Mouse can. But I think I can. Maybe I can. Maybe I can't. Bah! Bah! I'm kicking! Oh no! My little brother kicked! Well, there is a video about it in the future when I would have a potion blast into me younger. And I'm supposed to be 14. Making me. Don't know. Yeah. He's even saying, what? Controlling a bird. At least, yeah.